At the height of an unauthorized war, the U.S. was spending $1 billion a day of U.S. taxpayer money. Not a war Congress voted for, not a war you were asked about. A war Trump started on his own, on the 28th of February 2026. The operation is called Operation Epic Fury. In just the first 6 days, the Pentagon spent $11.3 billion. That number came straight from a classified briefing to the Senate. And one senator said even that figure was an undercount because it did not include the full cost of replacing the weapons used. By week 2, costs had reached $16.5 billion. By April 2026, the total is estimated at $35 to $45 billion and climbing. 2 aircraft carrier strike groups are deployed. Over 200 aircraft, THAAD missile defense interceptors that cost $12.7 million each. And the U.S. has already burned through up to 30% of its entire THAAD stockpile. Nearly 20 U.S. planes have been damaged or destroyed since the war began. The price tag on aircraft losses is right under $1 billion. Here is where it gets personal. While Trump was building this war machine, he and Republicans passed the One Big Beautiful Bill in July 2025. That law cut over $1 trillion from health programs, the largest rollback of federal health care in American history. 10 million people are projected to lose their health insurance. Medicaid cut by $863 billion over 10 years. SNAP food assistance cut by $295 billion. That is a 36% cut in food benefits for low-income families. Senator Elizabeth Warren said it plainly. While there is no money for the 15 million Americans who lost their health care, there is $1 billion a day to bomb Iran. Representative Diana DeGette added that $11.3 billion would have fully funded training 100,000 new nurses. Instead, it was spent in 6 days on an illegal war. This is the trade. That is the choice. Your Medicaid, your food assistance, your kids' schools. Traded for a war that Congress never authorized, that Trump never explained, and that your community is paying for. The 2026 midterms are coming. The question is not just who you vote for. It is what you demand they answer for. Follow the Village Media for daily accountability. Share this if your people need to see it.